Hi, it's Imogen Lamport from Inside Out Style, coming to answer your colour and style questions. My whole wardrobe is warm. All the jewellery is gold. What is the cheapest way for me to go about building a cool wardrobe? Well, jewellery as a small proportion doesn't matter too much. But, you can always go and get your gold jewellery rhodium plated and make it white gold. That is a really easy fix. If you love all your gold jewellery and you want it to be looking silver instead of gold, go and get it rhodium plated. That said, as far as wardrobes go, I would be getting out the dye. And I have got a great bunch of dyeing posts written by my dyeing expert, Bernadette. And in them, and I'll link to some on the blog, you can over dye your clothes. And I have seen whole wardrobes change from warm to cool, from cool to warm, with some dye. So rather than thinking that I have to go out and buy everything new, start with dyeing. You'd be amazed at how much just even over dyeing a lot of cool colors with a bit of yellow can warm up the color and make it completely wearable. Like that garment could be fantastic. Now, there are some things that just don't dye easily, or you really don't want to, and it's also looking at maybe what are the universal colours in your wardrobe. Do you have red violet? Do you have teal? These are two colours that are pretty universal that go both to the warm and the cool side. So you could be looking at, do I have those things? And just as you replace things, replace them with your new cool colours if you have been wearing warmer colours. But dye is, I think, the best way for you to revamp your wardrobe without having to buy everything new, because you've already owned it. You know what works, you know what doesn't. Get rid of the things that don't work. There's no point in hanging on to those, but then think about dyeing them to create new colours. So hopefully those answers help. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.